In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a working flashlight in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox game where you want to add the flashlight. Once you're inside, head over to the Explorer panel. From there, click on Start with Player. Then open up Starter Character Scripts. Now, click the plus icon and insert a local script. This is where you will paste the flashlight code. You can grab the full script from the description, then just paste it inside the local script. That's step 1 done. Next, we need to tweak the lighting. Go up to the lighting section in the Explorer. Under Technology, change it from Shadow Map to Future. This allows the flashlight to cast proper shadows and look more realistic. While we are in Lighting, scroll down to Time of Day. You can set this to whatever you like, but if you want the flashlight effect to pop, set it to midnight by typing 0.00 and pressing enter. Now it's time to test it. Hit the play button at the top. Once your character loads in, press the F key on your keyboard and there it is. The flashlight is working perfectly, lighting up the dark world around you, and that's it. You have just made a working flashlight in Roblox Studio. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.